I have a new tool in the wood shop, and it is really amazing. The new tool that I think everybody's going to want to get is an air duster. What does it do? It replaces the canned air that you've been buying at Harbor Freight for $5, and now they're all sold out. Home Depot is sold out. Lowe's is sold out. Got to go to Office Depot. They're $7 a can. This is a Doreen Air Duster that works wonderful. I have a number of different uses for it, and it'll run for about 30 minutes on one single charge. You charge it up with a USB plug. That's fantastic.
So this is a side-by-side power test comparison from an air canister. You can see it only blew it probably about 15 inches. And then we used the same markers for the other one. We blew it all the way to the end of the yardstick, 36 inches.
Here are some of the uses you can do with your air duster. It has a wheel, you can regulate the speed of it. So an air duster is anything you can use with a compressed air can or a compressed air device. But the thing about this one that I like, you can control the speed on it, so you can dust off a piece before you sand it, before you finish it. You can use it at your drill press when you want to blow the chips away. That's the benefit about having a long run line of air that you continue to blow away chips, so you can use it at the drill press. So it has a detachable nozzle that you can store underneath here. Why you want to do this, because I use this all the time. I just leave it plugged in all the time, ready to go at a moment's notice. So I'm going to save you some time, because I did the research on these air dusters, and you don't want one that has such a high volume, that creates such a high whine in the motor that it's creating more noise in your workshop. So this Doreen Air Duster is the perfect option for being able to generate enough air without being too noisy. And so I'm going to leave a link for you down in the show notes so you can buy this on Amazon. The air duster comes with the unit, a little bristle brush, a USB charger, instruction manual, and the box. So this air duster has become so popular in our shop, one of the other guys has already ordered one for his home shop, and I'm doing the same thing. So be sure and get one for you today. I promise you, you'll love it.